Winter is one of my favorite seasons because it's beautiful and I love winter sports. It's one of the fun things about living in Wisconsin in winter is I get to go snowboarding, cross-country skiing, and it's so much fun, but it's no fun for my skin.
Yeah, for sure not.
Whenever I come back, my face is just in pain and bright red from the wind and the cold weather.
And chapped.
Yes. So today we're going to teach you how to make a winter skin protection balm, which is going to protect your face from that cold wind so you don't come back looking like a tomato.
And it's a bar, so you can take it traveling with you too.
This recipe is super simple to make. You just need a couple ingredients and your skin is gonna thank you. The first thing you need is a 1/4 cup of almond oil, which is amazing for your skin. It doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy, but it helps nourish it and moisturize it and helps improve its appearance as well. You also need a tablespoon of beeswax, and this is gonna give it its thick bar-like consistency, and it's going to put a protective layer over your skin. Now we'll just put it in double boiler to melt. You can also do this in the microwave using 30-second intervals to help it melt. Now that it's melted, we just add our essential oils and stir.
Okay.
We're gonna add 10 drops of each of cedarwood, winter spice, and bergamot. After the oils are in, mix it for at least 30 seconds to make sure that the oils are incorporated throughout the balm and not just sitting on top. Okay. So now that that's mixed, we can pour it in and then just let it cool. And then it's ready to be used. If you end up with a little bit of extra, you can put it in a jar and use it too.
Perfect.
Here's one we've already made. You just apply it to your skin. It's gonna melt right onto your skin to create that protective layer. If we were to splash water on it, it would just kind of sit on top because of that beeswax.
Nice.
Yeah. You can also use this as a massage bar to add texture to it. You could add some coffee beans into the mold before you pour it in, or tapioca pearls. Those work too.
Perfect.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So for more recipes just like this, go to simplyearth.com/box.
You'll get everything you need for this recipe and more.
Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you later.
Then stir it for at least 30 seconds to make sure that the oil is incorporated throughout all of the skin protection balm.